Hi guys, today we will discuss about one new topic on the same price column chart. Okay, this is also the next part of frequency distribution curve. This is a simple problem and we will solve that problem using that column chart. Okay, we will do a graph. This is the problem. Okay, this is the basically a problem we will do. First, the next we take the problem and see in the problem for state A some male candidates are there, number of male, number of females and number of children are there. So basically total number is 3750 and the percentage is 40%. How we will get that 40%? We can do like this, 150,000 for men divided by 37500 into 100, then you will get 40. Then you get similarly 28, 32, and for the big state you will get 50, 30. It will become like 29.4, but you have to write 30 and 20. Then we will plot that graph. Okay, this is the percentage and this is the state. Okay, see, for the first state अपन फ्रॉम टोटल वी हैव टोटल 100%. ओके, हमारे पास टोटल 100% है, उसमें से 40% है मेल के लिए जो कि है स्टेट ए में. उसके बाद है 28% फॉर फीमेल एंड 32% फॉर चिल्ड्रंस. इन द सिमिलरली फॉर द स्टेट बी 50% is female and 30% is male. 50% is male, 30% is female and 20% is children's. So we can do like this will be the column problem. Wait, this will be the column problem we am doing and we can do like this. Okay,